If you guys think my previous closet cleanouts were extreme, just wait till you see this one. I'm about to show you guys places I store clothes, not only in my closet, but also in places I've never even filmed and put on this channel. I have never, ever shown the storage area in my parking garage. There we go. Hello guys. It has been a second, and I'm also currently dog sitting. These are my parents' two dogs, but you guys know Buddy. He's my dog that I got when I lived at my parents' house. He's literally my child. This is Louis, like Louis Vuitton. Yeah, the dogs will be in this vlog, and today I am doing an extreme closet clean out. I can't emphasize it enough. This is my first closet clean out of the entire year. I've been a bad girl. I've been avoiding my problems and traveling. A lot of you guys have been asking about the house. I am moving into the house soon. And before I move into the house, I want to like reorganize everything and declutter. I just feel like I have so much shit. It's disgusting. We're gonna get going. So you guys only ever see this. You guys think this is my closet, but there's also this part of the apartment that slowly has formed into my closet as well. I added a clothing rack here this winter. Over here is what I call like my partnerships rack. I also have like a huge winter jacket problem, but I do wear all of them. It's gonna be harder than I thought. And I do wanna show you guys the downstairs, which is where I wanna start. I have never, ever shown the storage area in my parking garage. And now we're gonna go there. We're gonna bring up all the bins and we're gonna go through them and it's gonna be chaotic. You ready for storage bins? I have a storage unit that I pay for monthly that's down the road. And then I also have a storage unit in the parking garage of my apartment building, which has all my clothes that I currently wear and change out seasonally. So that way I don't have to go all the way to a storage unit down the road if I want to change out my wardrobe. The goal is to organize what's going to be sold on Depop and move that to the storage unit down the road when we have a chance to get to it to sell everything. And then to take all my current stuff that I want to keep, but I just don't want in my closet for summer, and put them in these new bins and put them down in the storage unit in my parking garage. That's the goal. There we go. Here we are.
There's just a couple of things in
Just
here.
a couple things. Depop, I kind of have like a higher standard. I take pride in my sadtaursshop. I always wanted to have like a Y2K vibe, so if it doesn't fit that, then I just donate to my local thrift store. So everything that was in that random box is now organized into the properly labeled bin. And this we're gonna donate. This we're also gonna donate. All right guys, this went as planned. We have all this new space and we need that space so we can clean out the closet upstairs and put my winter clothes away. Whew. Hello. Hi. What? What? I'm supposed to film! Ignore Louis. That was... He's like making his presence known. So everything went well. As you guys saw, we have a lot more room for new bins. This is one of the new bins. But now this is the part of the closet clean out which I'm not looking forward to, and that's parting ways with clothing you don't wear anymore. So I definitely need to go through this. It's gonna be really hard. Here we have seasonal / keep. This is donate. And then here we have Depop. So this section back in this corner was my t-shirt section. I don't like the setup of this. I actually really don't like how it looks. When it's stuffed in this corner, I think I forget I own things. So we're gonna get rid of that. Guys, we decluttered so much, we actually created a new space. This is crazy. So I just realized this is supposed to be the rainbow, like Roy G. Biv, but pink doesn't come before violet. So we are actually gonna move the pink section behind the red. I've hit a wall, okay? This is a lot for one day. We're losing it a little bit. We haven't even touched the fucking pants. Oh my god.
I hate those.
Motherfucker. Okay, we're hitting a wall. Catch up with you guys whenever we're out of the wall. Bye. Ugh. How are we gonna go through all those? All right, we're gonna just do keep, is what we've been doing. Keep, seasonal, donate, depop. You guys know that bare space I have over there? I think I'm gonna hang all my denim really nice. My goal is to like maybe have a pants section over here and hang up all my pants and fold some nicer pants where all those Playboy magazines are. Find a different place for those. That's where we're at. So far, this is the Depop, this is Donate, this is Keep, this is Try On. I am really tired, so we did just order dinner, which is almost here. We're gonna take a little break, eat dinner. All right, guys, good morning. It is morning, and I feel refreshed. We are literally where we left off with the pants situation. Everything I'm donating or getting rid of is off in their bins. So now what I have in front of me is where I have to find a space here. Blue dude, blue moon. So we are clearing this. Right now, I moved all my Playboy Bunny magazines here and the disco ball right here, but I do want to utilize these surfaces for storage. So I think I want to put like white bottoms down here and then black bottoms down here right underneath the black section just to help me remember what I own. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Okay guys, so we're gonna talk these drawers. I originally, oh god, I'm almost spilling this. I originally organized this to have all my matching sweat sets. Since I'm such a matching sweat set in my day-to-day life, I thought this would be helpful. It actually has not been helpful because after I did this, it became springtime. I think maybe we keep a few sweat sets through the summer, but put majority of them in storage. Like, I'm not gonna wear this until it's like fall or Christmas again. So this drawer, we have all my travel sets that I know I for sure wear. This is like a lighter sweat set that'll work in the summer. This is like travel gear, travel gear, travel gear, travel gear. Put that away. So this drawer has turned into summer sets and my graphic tank tops I wear every day, and then all my basic tanks. Like this drawer, I feel like I'm gonna be opening the most this summer, and it closes. And we got rid of the clutter here and here. But now we have to go through all these piles. It's never ending. Okay, we're making progress. I've minimized everything. I'm actually going to put some into my winter clothes, but for the ones I did keep, I put my black crew necks up here, my grays and whites, and then down here I have my like just different array of colors, like an assortment of colors. I want to put all my tank tops here. I want to put my black tops, my neutral whites, and then my multicolored ones down here. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting really tired, but I'm also feeling really good because I'm actually seeing progress now. I feel like it's not till now that I'm actually seeing the progress of sticking this out and getting it all done. Yeah, so I want to go through all these tops. I have a bunch of random cotton, comfy, cutesy, casual tops that I want to go through. I want to organize them into sleep tops and just casual tops, and then obviously get rid of. So that way I can figure out where I'm going to put them. I either might hang them up here if I have enough hangers, or put them next to all the sweats that I was just organizing. Okay, we have my colored tops, we have my whites, and I have it go into a neutral brown, and then we have blacks. These are gonna fit nicely in that area over there. I actually ended up taking down shirts that were hung up, like for example, my Harley Davidsons were hung up. Growing up, like the organization my mom had with us was shirts that wouldn't wrinkle, would just be folded in a drawer. So I tried applying that. By taking stuff down, I actually made this area look a lot nicer and less cluttered. And now I feel like to cater my ADHD, I'll remember where to go when I just want to wear a casual top, because I feel like sometimes when these tops are like hidden in between all the bigger pieces, I forget I have them. I feel like I've watched a lot of organization videos. The ones that I've hit are the organization videos for people with ADHD. The whole point of this is to also help that problem. We're not done here. In my next video, I'm gonna show you guys all the new shoe organization that I found, all my new decor that I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna show you guys an entire reveal of the closet, and it's gonna be super satisfying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my second part to this series.